In this video, I will show you how to use the Python library docx to read the text of a Microsoft Word document. Here is the Microsoft Word document I will be reading from. It is called Lorem Ipsum Example and contains some Lorem Ipsum text. It has 3 separate paragraphs of text. Closing it out and looking at our Jupyter Labs, we can see that document right here in the directory on our left. I start off by importing the document from the docx library. I then use that document object to open up our Microsoft Word example document by passing the name of the doc as an argument. So our example document is stored in memory as the variable doc. Each document object in the docx library has a paragraphs attribute. Let's execute this and see what it contains. You can see there are 3 separate paragraph objects stored at this document's paragraphs attribute. Microsoft Word separates the content of a Word document by paragraphs, so it makes sense that our 3 separate paragraphs are being read as 3 separate objects within a list. If we want to actually see what those paragraph objects contain, we have to access each paragraph's text attribute. And that is what I am doing with this for loop. I'm stating that for each paragraph in the docx paragraph list of paragraph items, I would like the following to occur. Print out a few dashes, which will help us delimit where the paragraphs are in the output, and then print out the actual text of the paragraph object. Again, I can do that by accessing the text attribute of the paragraph object. Executed, you can see we are printing 3 separate paragraphs, each separated by those 3 dashes that I am also printing out. Opening up Microsoft Word, we can compare the outputs below with what is actually contained in the document. And here we can see that the 3 paragraphs are being correctly displayed. So it is quite straightforward. Store the document in memory that you want to read by using the document object from the docx library. Then loop through all of the paragraphs you have in your document and print out the content by using the text attribute. As always, thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below if you found this useful and informative. Do give it a thumbs up as it really does help others find this content. And don't forget to hit subscribe so that you know when the next video comes out.